Basic electrical safety you should know. The average household uses 11,700 kilowatts of electricity per year. Since we are so exposed to it, it's important to be aware of the dangers of dealing with electricity in your home. If you have electrical equipment that is damaged, make sure to have it repaired or replaced. Light switches or sockets should have an appropriate distance from the sink or any other water source. If you have any pets, cords should be hidden and put away to avoid electrocution or damaged cords. Keep your stovetop clean. The buildup of food and grease could cause a grease fire in your kitchen. When installing lights, make sure to only install matching bulb wattage, or you risk electric shortage. Broken outlets, exposed wires, flickering lights, or short fuses are all potential electrical hazard which you should pay attention to. Visit elahomerepairs.org for more details or contact 800-368-PROS for a free referral.